Hey, what's up? All right, I found a way to level this sucker up without get impatient. I found a way to get it all leveled up, front to back, side to side, so I can go ahead and put some bracing in, as you can see, because this thing, I needed to get this cut. So I got the back cut off. It's laying over here in the floor. But to get that cut off, I needed to get in here. I needed to open the door and absolutely couldn't, because it just, there's nothing holding that pillar. It's connected down there to the floor, and that's just not enough. That thing was flopping all over the place. So I went ahead and put some bracing in, so it's good and solid where I could open that thing up. Everything will stay where it's at. So that's done anyway, so that's cool. So now you can kind of see, that back door's still sticking up there, but you start to get kind of an idea. It's so funny the way you chop that top down. It makes the car look so nice and long. It's pretty cool. I can't wait to get that Hudson top on there. See what that's gonna look like. And this, for any of you, I don't know, whoever's watching, if you haven't done this before, ever chopped the car, this ain't the way to do it. I assure you, it's just that the car was in such good condition, and the top, I'd already cut the top out of it it was a donor, it was in Bill's junkyard, and it was a donor. So yeah, this is kind of the hard way around, doing it this way, but no big deal, it can be done. But it's gonna be pretty slick. So I went ahead and left some here. I wanted to get up above that structural member. I want to keep that there. We'll see, but for now, so I just went ahead and cut the skin up above that. That's why it's up like that, instead of right down at that pinch. But, and like I said, we'll see how that Hudson top sits in there. I think it's gonna look pretty cool. But look at my struts down in there. Keep that thing flopping around. But anyway, so I'll start. Let's see. What am I gonna do next? Eventually, I got to start. I'll probably tack those back doors in. I don't know. I may wait, because I got some floor. To weld in down there. I may want to have access to that. I don't know what I'm going to do next. I'm just pretty happy with what I got so far. It's pretty cool. It's looking good. It's looking the way I wanted it to. Old Pontiac Cambridge. I don't know if I showed you the hood ornament. Oh yeah, the little clipper. I like it. Clean that sucker up. There's a lot of the chrome on this. Some of the side pieces are gone, but anyway. All right, I'll quit blabbing. Get back to work. Later.